Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sims 4 online on PS5. While The Sims 4 doesn't have a traditional multiplayer mode, it offers robust online features for community interaction. You can connect with a vast global network of players by sharing and downloading content. This guide will show you how to navigate these features, allowing you to enrich your gameplay experience and engage with millions of other Simmers. Get ready to explore an endless stream of creativity. The primary way to engage online is through the in-game gallery. You can access this feature directly from the main menu of your PlayStation 5 console. The gallery hosts thousands upon thousands of user-created Sims, households, and architectural builds. Browsing is simple, and you can download any content you like directly into your game with just a few button presses, instantly expanding your creative possibilities. Sharing your own unique creations is incredibly rewarding. Once you've designed a fantastic sim, a beautiful home, or a stylish room, you can upload it to the gallery for others to enjoy. Simply ensure your content is marked for public sharing within the game's interface. This allows you to contribute to the vibrant Sims 4 community and showcase your talent to millions of players worldwide, fostering a sense of connection. To further enhance your online experience, consider following your favorite creators within the gallery. This ensures you see their newest uploads as soon as they become available. Utilizing hashtags is also a powerful tool for discovering specific types of content, from modern mansions to quirky Sims. Remember, engaging with the broader Sims 4 community on social media platforms can also deepen your connection with fellow players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.